I won an 800 subscriber giveaway from Andy Does Stuff. Want to see what I got? If you don't know Andy, I will have her channel linked below so you can go check her out. She does amazing makeup looks. She does mystery box unboxings. She does subscription boxes. She talks about curly hair care. She's very much into panning, and she's doing a project 3 uses this year to see if makeup that she doesn't use, if she likes it or not. All kinds of stuff going on over there. So anyway, she recently hit 800 subscribers and had a giveaway, and I won. She sent a card, and it says, Tina, congrats on winning my 800 sub giveaway. I added some of my favorite AOA brushes for you to try, and that I'm really excited about because I've been wanting to try them, but I haven't placed a Shop Miss A order in a while, and so I just haven't. So let's dig in. First up are some Crystal Collagen Gold Powder Eye Masks. I love eye masks. A lot of times I'll just put them on while I'm drying and curling my hair, and then by the time I'm ready to put my makeup on, my eyes are all hydrated and plumped up, and so definitely will enjoy those. And then this one is from Azure, and that is the Collagen and Hyaluronic Anti-Aging Under Eye Pads. So again, eye masks. And then Andy loves face masks, and I don't mask as often as I probably should, but I think I'm going to try doing it more and see. I am kind of dialing in my agency and my tretinoin use, and I'm getting my skin under control. It's not nearly as dry and flaky, and I think if I added in a face mask a couple of times a week, that might just be what I need to get me over the rest of the irritation. So we have Exfoliator. This is a hyaluronic acid with peach essence, and then this one is a honey essence, also from Exfoliator. And then a Creme Shop. This is Slow Down Skin, and I think this one has the little sloth face on it, so that'll be cute and fun to use. And then Be Wonderful Skin, I believe, is a reindeer. And then we have a yogurt face mask, Nourishing and Smooth. I may have to pass this one along in my giveaway box because I do have a dairy allergy, and I'm not really sure about putting it on my skin. I don't usually have trouble with like just a goat milk soap or something like that, milk and honey soaps, but they don't stay on your skin very long. So I don't know if I'm going to risk using that one, but I will put it in my giveaway box. And then the Creme Shop's Eeyore, Have a Good Day, or It's a Good Day, Smoothing Printed Essence Sheet Mask, and I wonder if that one has Eeyore printed on it. That would be very cute. So lots of face masks, and I love that. These brushes are next, they're on top, and so let me get these open. I just watched Andy's Shop Miss A haul like an hour ago, and she had a set of these and was talking about these. This one is the F1, and it's a dense kabuki brush, flat across the top. These are great for foundation. And then the E101 is a smaller, flat kabuki, and she was saying that she didn't really like this shape very much, but I like these for eyeshadow primer. They're good for that, or for a cream shadow, blending it out. So I will use that. And I'm going to put this boot back on. There, I put the boot back on the kabuki. And then, these look maybe the same. The E121. Yes, and this is the brush that Andy says she uses for packing shimmers on the lid, and it's a perfect brush for that. So there's 2 of those, and I'm glad to have that because I really only have like 1 or 2 of these big flat shader brushes, and I like those. So, oh, and there's one more. And this one is the F19, and it's kind of a fluffy pointed brush. And I think I remember her saying that she liked to use this one for her under eye powder. And it's a really good size to get in that inner corner. So thank you, Andy, for that. Then I've got this cute Snowflake Wedge foundation sponge. There's 6 pieces in there, and they're kind of diamond shaped. It's very reflective. There we go. You can see those. And so I will put those to good use because I'm always needing a new sponge. From Fourth Ray, a Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist. So that looks like that. It's just a clear, and that sounds very refreshing for like if you're going to touch up your makeup. and you powder again during the day, and then you want to kind of make that powder meld in, that would be very helpful for that. There's a lot in here. Moving on, we have Ruby May Peppermint Mocha. It says it's a 9-color palette. So let's see what we have here. Ooh! The mirror right here says Beautiful, and some pretty reds and greens. And I will, before I swatch anything, I'll take some time after I'm done with the video to check ingredients, make sure that it's something that I can use. And if it is, I will use it. But if it's not, I'll put it in my giveaway box. If you haven't seen my eyeshadow collection video and declutter, I just put that up and I can link that for you. So if you haven't seen it, you can go to it. But in that I explained that I recently developed a carmine allergy, and so I have to be really careful, especially palettes that have a lot of red in them. And Cokey nail polish. I have never used any Cokey nail polish, so that's fun. And that's a really pretty color. It's almost what I have on, but a little bit darker. I have dip on right now. Sometimes I like to give my nails a break from dip, and so I'll just use regular polish. And this is really nice. And it also is vegan, cruelty-free, and plant-based and biosourced. So sometimes nail polish can be pretty toxic. That sounds great. It actually says green polish. So I like that. I like that idea. And then there's an Aceology Lifting Treatment Mask. Lifts, illuminates, and rejuvenates. It's stuck. There we go. And so it's in a tube, and it's just a mask that you put on and then let dry. Does it dry? Yes, it's a peel-off mask. I love peel-off masks. Not only do they do their work of hydrating or rejuvenating or whatever it is that they do, but then when you peel it off, it helps remove a layer of dead skin cells, and I really enjoy that. So that will be fun. There's all kinds of self-care stuff in here, and I really like that. And we have the Sweet Shop Sugar Cookie. And I think it's probably sealed. Yeah, it's sealed, so I'm going to leave it that way because I have several lotions open right now, and I kind of like to just leave it sealed. And then this is Skin Chemists Youth Series Green Caviar Day Moisturizer. That sounds interesting. It's way too little for me to read anything about it, but I will read up on it and give that a try. Again, it's got a seal on it, so we will just leave it sealed for now. Oh my goodness, there's still so much in here. This is the I Heart Revolution Chocolate Contour Bar in Light. And I like the sound of that. Oh, that's pretty. It has a contour, bronzer, and a highlighter, and that's a really pretty color. I think that'll work really well for me. And another Violet Voss Oh Snap fun-sized eyeshadows, and these are super pretty. That is a beautiful palette. I'm not sure that Violet Voss is vegan, so once again, before I swatch anything, I will check ingredients. And if I happen to not be able to wear them, then my loss will be your gain, because I'm getting close to 700 subscribers. And I wasn't sure if I was going to do a 700 or a 750 giveaway. We'll see how fast I get to 700. But if you want to help us get there faster, then make sure you share this video with a friend. This is... Oh, it's Be Bella. It's very tiny writing way down here on the bottom. White letters on pink. But this is the All Day Seal Face Primer. And it says for all skin types, 16-hour wear. And that sounds very good. I really do like all day primers, mattifying primers, that kind of stuff. Long wear is definitely what I'm looking for. And this is the e.l.f. Hemp Cannabis Sativa Happy Hydration Face Cream. I love e.l.f. skincare. I usually use the Holy Hydration line, And but I have used the Happy Hydration, and it works really well for my skin too. I currently have a Happy Hydration overnight mask in the hemp sativa line, and I really like it when my skin is really angry about the tretinoin. I can put that on and I wake up and it's so much happier. So very excited to use this. If you've never tried e.l.f. skincare and moisturizers, definitely recommend them. And then this is, oh, what is this? This is Manny in a box, waterless 3-step sugar scrub, mud mask, and massage butter. Well, that sounds awesome. My cuticles get so dry, my hands get so dry, and I think this is going to happen sooner rather than later. Then, oh, this is so cute. There's a magnetic notepad with a pen in it, and I actually keep one of these on my refrigerator at all times because I'm still old school when it comes to grocery lists. I know you can put them in your phone and then you just always have it, but I really just like writing it down. It's so much easier. But inevitably, I leave the list at home, and then I have to have somebody who's home take a picture of the list and text it to me. And if it was in my phone, then... But then I don't know where my phone is when I need to put something on the list, so it doesn't get on the list in the first place. So I don't think there is a perfect system. But the pad on the refrigerator works best for me. And the last thing in here is, I believe, hair care products. And this is Bedhead TGIF Color Goddess Oil-Infused Shampoo and Conditioner. I've never used Bedhead shampoos. I have used the Bedhead dry shampoo, I think. Oh, that smells really good. Wow. If you watched my empties video, you know that my favorite shampoo and conditioner is the L'Oreal Elvive, but that smells really good. So I am excited to try these and see how they compare to the Elvive that I love so much. And that's the extent of the giveaway. Andy, you were so generous. This box was stuffed full, and I love everything. Thank you so much. And again, if you haven't watched Andy, make sure to go check her out. If you want to stick around and watch another video of mine, I'll put one up there. I'm Tina. I'm really glad you decided to spend a little bit of your day with me today. I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.